Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this beautiful yellow with copper nail foil. Let's start with already applied base and primer. I am going to use this Banana Mania LT129 from Bluesky. Their nail polish. This one is not that pigmented, to be fair. It required around 3 layers for it to get opaque, so I would say just make sure you apply enough layers before you continue, because it's not gonna look great if you don't. As you can see, I have now a new setup that is with tripod, and you can see from the top very nicely how I apply the polishes without actually covering with my hand. I'm very happy about that, to be fair. It's been a big struggle recording these videos with no tripod, but now thanks to my brother I have one, so a lot of shoutouts to him. As you can see, I'm going to skip here the middle finger and the ring finger, as I'm going to apply different colors on them. Since this is like I'm going to put there the foils, and I want like a yellowish copper gold foils, so I don't want to apply them on yellow, as this is going to lose the effect. I think they look best on on neutral colors like beige, nude, this sort. So I'm going to use this Satan 90 8563 again from Bluesky. This is just literally like beige color. It's very nude and subtle, but I think it's one of these colors that you really need. It's like a must when you're building your collection. It's like a statement, like an everyday thing that you can always do with matte, you can always do with different colors on top. If you want to do like stones, if you want to do some sort of water stickers or normal stickers, it's good to have this nude, like beige color that you can just grab for any occasion. Or if you really want to have like a full nude hand, that is also really beautiful. I would say it looks very classy, so I would do it. And now just make sure you cure this hand for 60 seconds before. This is now after I've applied 3 layers of each color, and I'm going to do it on one corner and on another. This is holographic nail foil. I bought these from Amazon. They're so cheap and they've done like so much for me. Like, I could not say how much I like these foils. Literally, like, they've made so many beautiful manicures for me, and I can't get tired of them. That is one thing. Like, even if I do my nails with foil every 2 weeks, I would still not be mad. Honestly, I really like it. So my idea is to make the outer side on one of the nails and the inner side on the other one, so they kind of like mirror each other. As you can see, I've done the I've done the left side on one finger and the right side on another one, and this is just so I can like kind of look like it's mirroring the pattern, even though the pattern would never ever be clean or neat, because this foil is just, that's what it is about. It doesn't make the full nail, it's just kind of like patches, but this is the effect of it and I really like it, so yeah. Also, it's very easy to work with. It's so easy, it's insane. It's just user friendly at its finest. As you can see here, I'm like adding a little bit extra of each color. I just want these two colors, like the copper and the gold, to balance itself. I don't want one of them to be overwhelming. I just want them to be like kind of balanced and nicely reflected. Next week I'm also planning to do a video for nails with foil, but different types, so stay tuned. It will be only on certain sections. Now this is some top coat. I personally prefer to apply 2 layers of top coat, especially on the foil. I mean, I do it on every nail, to be fair, because my nails chip very easy, so 2 layers of top coat is very important for me. But also for the foil, so it doesn't wear off, it's just important to be sealed properly. That's why I would recommend 2 layers. But also depends on what you prefer, and if you like it thicker or thinner, or what kind of products you're using as well. Some products might not require 2 layers, they might be thick enough to cover it with 1 layer. So once you've done that, and you have applied the first layer, just make sure you do second, especially on this too. I would also need to improve the light somehow, but I'm working on that too. This tool is for cleaning sides. I've mentioned it a lot of times before. It's very simple wooden stick with pointy tip. Once you're done with the curing all the layers, you have to clean the sticky layer that's on the top. It's very easy, and you can use nail polish remover, or you can use an actual solution for it. And since I'm a really good friend, I'm giving full service here. Put some cream, because all the filing can be really rough on your skin, so it's good to put some cream and just to make like the full experience amazing. I'm cleaning these final cotton bits. And this is the result. I'm very happy with it. I really liked it, and I would do it for myself as well, and I really like this. I feel like the gold complements so well with the yellow. The gold and the copper complement so well with the yellow. So thanks a lot for watching. I hope you liked it as much as I did, and please subscribe leave a comment, like. Thank you. Bye.